Hey guys, this is Faye, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell you a little bit about the Bunn coffee maker. This is the pour-over commercial coffee brewer. It has 3 lower warmers. We use this one at our church and it gets a lot of use. It makes a lot of coffee really quickly, and it's a great price for a commercial coffee unit, which is probably why we have it at church. If you're looking for a really good commercial coffee unit that's not too expensive, I would definitely recommend checking out the Bunn coffee maker. And again, this one has 3 lower warmers, so you're gonna get a lot of coffee and a lot of use out of this machine. Thanks.